an STE student, of course, I have inclusive thoughts on drinking games at a drink.
STE student, of course, my best friend is X, but I still can't find it.
As an STE student, of course, I read more articles and drink more coffee than I sleep.
Okay, but what exactly is the STE program?
The Science, Technology, and Engineering program is designed for students who have a passion for innovation, discovery, and problem solving.
It offers advanced subjects in science, mathematics, research, and English to prepare students for their future careers in STEM fields.
That sounds interesting. Can you show me what the STE students actually do?
The STE Program sharpens your problem-solving skills, enhances creativity, and prepares you in the future in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
It's a challenge, but if you love learning and discovery, then this program is just for you.
In STE, we explore chemistry, physics, biology, hands-on. Just like this volcano right here, our curiosity erupts with new discoveries. We analyze chemical reaction at pH levels to understand how a substance works in real life.
We don't just read about friends, we see them up close. Understanding microorganism is crucial in STE. We are STE students. Of course, we love being STE students.
That actually looks fun. How can I join?
Easy. If you're up to the challenge, join the STE program right now.
Be part of the future. Be an STE student.
Are you ready to enter the world of endless possibilities? Have you ever wondered about the world around us and how gadgets work and how things came to be? Well, you are in the right place, since this is where your curiosity will be answered, a place full of wonders and inventions made by man.
Welcome to the world of STE, where imagination comes into reality. This will be a journey of a lifetime, so buckle up your seatbelts and be ready to explore this world full of mysteries and learn more about the very world that we step on. So come and join us.
We all start somewhere, so in this course, we will help you in every step in your journey to greatness. We will make your dream come true whether you want to be an engineer or scientist. Nothing is impossible when you work hard for it.
course, just as Uncle Ben said, with great powers comes with great responsibility. So, we need people who are willing, people burning with determination to succeed in life, people who are willing to do whatever it takes to be at the top.
And also, teamwork makes a dream work. Remember, wolf always goes with a pack. So don't hesitate to make great friends and don't pressure yourself. Enjoy too.
It's always fun to have friendly competitions with your classmates. It lights up something inside you. It is your competitive spirit rising up again. Not to show who is better, but in order to grow each other's bond, since they will be your family for some time. And remember, respect is earned, not given. So, don't boast too much when you win.
So, what are you waiting for? Join us now and be a part of the family. And let us help one another to achieve greatness together. We are STE.
Santa Ana National High School introduced the Science, Technology, and Engineering program in 2023 to nurture the next generation of innovators, problem solvers, and critical thinkers. This program isn't just a class, it's a getaway to endless opportunities. If you have a sharp mind, a thirst for knowledge, and a passion for discovery, this is where you belong. With the guidance of expert teachers and access to state-of-the-art facilities, every STE student gets the chance to grow, excel, and turn their passion into real-world achievements, whether it's conducting experiments. With our fully equipped science lab, you won't just read about science, you'll experience it. From microscopes to performing gram staining and using advanced technology, students are given the tools to explore, innovate, and bring their ideas to life. Why settle for ordinary when you can be extraordinary? Join the STE program and step into a world of limitless possibilities.